Task number 3, search engines. Every one of us has used an internet search engine. However, not everyone has tried to harness the full power of the internet search engine. Almost every internet search engine allows you to carry out advanced searches. Consider the following examples. Basically, very popular search engines. Let's consider the search operators supported by Google. Extract and then the phrase. Double quotes indicates that you are looking for pages with the exact word or phrases. For example, one might search for passive resonance, passive reconnaissance, and this is just searching for this exact word or phrase. As you can see, if we go into advanced searches, you can see that here is also the words that we pasted, and means that you put exact the words in quotes. So you either access advanced search and put it here and then advanced search it, or you just put it inside double quotes. Site. This operator lets you specify the domain name to which you want to limit your search. For example, you can search for successful stories on TryHackMe using site tryhackme.com success stories. So basically you will only search on TryHackMe for success stories. The minus sign allows you to omit search results that contain a particular word or a phrase. For example, you might be interested in learning about the pyramids, but you don't want to view tourism websites. One approach is to search for pyramids minus tourism, or minus tourism and then pyramids. File type. This search operator is indispensable for finding files instead of web pages. This is also paired with web pages, so everything that you see in terms of commands or special symbols, you can pair. So for example, site try hack me, double quotes, success stories. So file type, this search operator is indispensable for finding files instead of web pages. Some of the files type you can search for using Google are portable document formats, PDF, Microsoft Word documents, Excel, PowerPoint. For example, to find cybersecurity presentation, try searching for file type PowerPoint cybersecurity. So let's just search for this, and you can see PowerPoint, everything is PowerPoint. Let's see what happens if, for example, we say here, let's just say Google, because we for sure will find something. And here we say PDF, and here we say best movies, and search it. Now that's something, we get only one result, right? Now, if you go in the advanced search, you can see what actually you are looking for. Best movies, site or the domain to be google.com, terms appearing anywhere in the page, file type PDF. So you can actually see that our preferences are set only by using the Chrome search bar. Only just inserting here the Google Docs syntax. So let's see, for instance, if we say, if we delete the double quotes and here we say best movies, now it will find something. So if we place the double quotes, it will focus on this, best movies that are on Google, and then for the file tab PDF. As you can see here, if we go inside this link, you can see that it was downloaded. You can check more advanced control in various search engines in this advanced search. Right, let's see this list. However, the above provides a good starting point. Check your favorite search engine for the supported search operators. Yeah, so here we have the advanced search operators list from Cypher3A7. It's a GitHub page. And here you can find a lot of useful information if you're interested in Google dorking some search engines. Enter the questions below. How would you limit your Google search to PDF files containing the term cyberware reports? So let's place this and let's say here file type to be PDFs, like so. What phrase does the Linux command SS stand for? So, sucky statistics from yesterday's room.